So guys, here we are on the E39, and today we're changing this bulb, the turn signal. And if you look back here, that plug right there, that's going to be the socket for your turn signal bulb. And for better access, you can just pull this out, put to the side, so you can reach in there to get to your socket. And guys, it helps if you have one of these because it's kind of tight in there, so you can just go in, grab it, and twist and pull out. And just like that, your bulb is out, and you can just pull straight out. But as you can see how this is all corroded, not good. Appears that moisture got in there somehow, and you're gonna get a replacement. This is Sylvania. If you can see the numbers there, or you could look up the part number, Google. And guys, you get your replacement, put it in, and you should be all set. Before, you just want to make sure it's working. All right, so we got action. All right, then just a pro tip, guys. This area is very tight, so if you have small hands, it will work for you. But if you have larger hands, oh my God! Wow! You just want to go ahead, remove these two bolts here, take the headlight out, and install it correctly. Because what can happen is that bulb can fall out during installation, so you just got to be careful. If you can fit in there and get past some of these rubber hoses here, there's two of them that's going to be in the way, and yeah, that's the plug that goes into that. There's two of them that gets in the way, so you're going to want to be careful to get around that so that the bulb does not fall out. Otherwise, just go the long way, take it out, and you're good to go.
God, please, no! 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 No!
On the long way, these are 8s, so you're gonna want to get your 8mm socket, just like that. And don't forget that one and that one. And just pull out, and now you have all the access that you want. All right, so there's 4 screws, 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull out, and you have access to all your sockets. All right, you secure the bolts, and your hose. Quality control works.
What?